Yes, Marley is king, but are you deep in her heart listening? Look at what this man's still accomplishing. All of these generations after him will turn up the bass all the way. A buffalo, a soldier, a rock the place. Switch up the pace, I want love that appear. Cause Bob make we know from positivity we off a vibe. From positivity we off a vibe. Bob Marley is king, but are you deep in the heart listening? Look at what this man's still accomplishing. All of these generations after him. So when you know the real thing that you want, know for sure to manifest all you need. Begin to look within so deep. Yeah. So you have to go within for your world to change. Focus positive for the blessings to sway. Never negative, that is the order of the day. It's the universal laws, constant every day. Bob Marley is king, but are you deep in the heart listening? Look at what this man's still accomplishing. All of these generations after him. Everybody seeking satisfaction. Strong focus is the new sanction. Hang your dreams on your inner meditation. Real faith is loyalty in action. So trust the universe. Favorite your inner vibrations, then write the script of your life. Then keep them thoughts in that highly high. Cause when the pendulum swings, chimes start sounding. Then the drums, them are beating. Music got me just vibrating, yeah. With the energy of the awakening. Deep waters dive on in, yeah. Not just a liquor portion. Eyes wide open, feel the feeling. Oh, yeah, oh yeah, of having all you wanted. Yeah. Feel the feeling. Yeah, of having all you wanted, all you needed, all you prayed for. Yeah. Bob Marley is king, but are you deep in the heart listening? Look at what this man's still accomplishing. All of these generations after him. Natty dreadlocks in a Babylon. Natty dreadlocks in a Babylon. Natty dreadlocks in a Babylon. No woman no cry. Natty dreadlocks in a Babylon. Help me write these songs of redemption. No woman no cry. Natty dreadlocks in a Babylon. Natty dreadlocks in a Babylon.